Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to take who will be Ningdo. Have you heard about Ningdo? In Manipur, a king is called Ningdo and a queen is called Lima. Before start this, can you tell me what are the qualities needs to become a king? You have learned about many kings and queens, right? History has seen many kings. Many of them were selfish, some were entirely evil and brutal. As a king and queen, they have integrity. What is meant by integrity? The quality of being honest and having strong, kind. What is by kind? Very affectionate and lovable. Mercy. Mercy means forgiveness, sacrifice, brave, open hearted, and etc. So, in this lesson, you are going to learn about the king and queen, how they were with people. It is an interesting lesson, was written by Indra Mukherjee. In this charming folk tale from Manipur, writer Indra Mukherjee and the well-known painter A.V. Ilangu recreate the land, the culture and values of Manipur as they gently lead the child to think about two very important issues. The one is harmony with nature. Second one, gender equality. Let's move to the lesson. This is a story from Manipur about what qualities make a good ruler. The king and queen were so good that they always wanted to see their people happy. In return, they were loved dearly by the people. So here our medium should be happy. Medium means people. The birds and animals too loved them. They had 3 sons and a daughter. So totally they have 4 children. 3 sons and 1 daughter. So here they are Sanajoba. Sanajoba is the eldest son. Sanayama. Sanayama is the second son. The third son is Sanatomba. And a daughter whom they named Sanatombi. Sanatombi was 12 years old. She was such a lovely child, soft and beautiful. She was good at heart and loved by all. The king grew very old. In due course, he decided to choose his future heir. So, Sanajoba, but people suggested Sanajoba is the eldest son. They said, eldest son always become the king. But the king said, times have changed. Let us select the one who is the most worthy of becoming the king. What is the worthy? Deserving. Okay, deserving of. So they kept a contest for the 3 boys. A horse race. Who are the 3 boys? Sanajoba, Sanayama, Sanatomba. A horse race. Whoever reached the banyan tree first would be declared the future king. So the first son, Sanajoba, mounted his horse and held his spear in front of him, and he pierced the tree, the banyan tree, and jumped his horse right through it. The second son, Sanayama. Sanayama too mounted his horse. He rode towards the tree, harder and harder. He also jumped over the huge tree and landed on the other side. The third son is Sanatomba. Sanatomba, he too rode his horse towards a banyan tree, but people were excited saying, okay, who will come first? Anybody knows what was happening? Okay, what Sanatomba did? He uprooted the tree and carried and laid it at the king and queen's feet. So people, at last people were shouted, okay, Sanatomba is a future king. But king noticed king noticed Sanatombi. At last, king, he thought no one was good and worthy of becoming a ruler. Hence, he chose his 12-year-old daughter, Sanatombi, because she was kind, she was very lovable, she is very mercy girl. At last, the king selected Sanatombi as his heir because she felt the pain of the people, the animals, the birds, and the trees. So, people were so happy. Everyone was happy with their future queen. So, this is the lesson, children. I hope you understood what happened in Manipur. So, I gave you 4 questions. You can refer your book and find the answer. The first question is, name the place in Manipur where the Ningto and Lima ruled. The second question, what kind of child was Sanatombi? The third question, why did the people of Kingly Park love their king and queen? The fourth question, who hurt the banyan tree with the spear? So, I gave you the fourth question page number. Remaining 3 questions, you can refer your book and write answer. Again, I repeat the questions. Name the place in Manipur where the Ningto and Lima ruled. The second question, what kind of child was Sanatombi? The third question, why did the people of Kingly Park love their king and queen? The fourth question, who hurt the banyan tree with the spear? So I hope understood, children. You can find out answer from your book and write. Thank you.